You've been cooking potatoes wrong your whole life. Here's the trick that makes them perfect every single time. Imagine biting into potatoes that are golden and crispy on the outside, yet soft, fluffy, and buttery on the inside. Most people either end up with soggy roasted potatoes or overcooked ones. But today I'm sharing the secret restaurant-style trick that guarantees potato perfection, and once you try it, you'll never go back. Start with 2 pounds of starchy potatoes like russet or Yukon Gold. First, wash them well to remove any dirt. Then peel the skin off. Wash them again after peeling. This removes excess starch from the surface and helps them crisp up later. Now, cut the potatoes into even chunks, about 1.5 inches thick. Consistency is key here because even pieces cook evenly. Here's the magic step most home cooks skip: parboiling. Place your potato chunks into a large pot of water with 1 tablespoon of salt and bring it to a gentle boil. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, just until the edges begin to soften but the centers are still firm. This step starts the cooking process and ensures fluffy centers later. Once parboiled, drain the potatoes, and here's the trick. Shake them in the pot for 20 seconds. Roughing up the edges gives you a textured surface, which later turns into that irresistible golden crunch. Don't worry if they look messy. That's exactly what we want. Now for the flavor magic. In a separate bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, and a pinch of black pepper. Pour this over your roughed up potatoes and toss until every piece is coated in that aromatic mixture. You'll smell the garlic butter already working its magic. Spread the potatoes out on a parchment-lined baking tray, making sure they're not crowded. Give them space to crisp. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes, flipping halfway through until they are deeply golden and crispy. The smell at this point will drive everyone into the kitchen before you even plate them. Here's a pro tip for an extra crunch. Sprinkle a tablespoon of cornstarch over the potatoes before tossing with the oil mixture. This gives you that restaurant-style shatter when you bite in. And for those who like bold flavor, add a dash of chili flakes or smoked paprika before roasting. When the timer dings, take them out and listen closely. That's the sound of perfect crunch. The edges will be crispy, the centers fluffy, and the garlic butter coating makes them taste like pure magic. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. You'll have potatoes that look, smell, and taste like they came out of a 5-star kitchen. And here's the kicker. This trick works with wedges, cubes, or even smashed potatoes. So once you master the parboil and shake method, every potato recipe you make will be upgraded forever. So, will you try this potato trick tonight? Tell me in the comments. Do you prefer your potatoes crispy or creamy? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because more irresistible potato recipes are coming your way.